Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all good. Welcome to Dreamhaven Sleeping Story, your sanctuary for peaceful nights and wandering dreams. Tonight, you'll embark on a soothing journey aboard the legendary Orient Express. A gentle train rhythm, soft night ambience, and a dreamy narration will guide you into deep rest. This story is divided into 5 calming chapters, each crafted to slowly relax your mind. Now close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the Orient Express carry you toward a peaceful night's sleep. Your dream journey begins now. Chapter 1, Boarding the Midnight Train. The night is soft around you as you stand at the quiet platform, bathed in the gentle glow of lantern light. The station is peaceful in a way few places ever are, calm, unhurried, suspended in a moment that feels both timeless and intimate. A cool breeze drifts across the platform, brushing against your skin like a gentle hand. It carries the faint scent of old books, polished wood, and something else, something almost magical, like a whisper from a forgotten time, a memory you never lived yet somehow recognize. Before you rests the Orient Express, shimmering beneath the moonlight as though carved from a dream. Its deep blue carriages glimmer softly, the golden trim outlining each curve and window with quiet elegance. The sight of it fills you with a sense of awe, a soft flutter in your chest, as if you are standing before a doorway between worlds. It feels surreal, mysterious yet inviting, distant yet familiar. You take a slow step forward. Then another. Your breath moves in gentle waves. In and out. With each breath, your shoulders loosen, tension dissolving, your senses opening to the night's comforting embrace. Every inhale seems to gather calmness, every exhale seems to release everything you no longer need. A uniformed attendant approaches, his posture straight yet welcoming. His lantern glows like a small star in his hand. When he smiles, it is warm, kind, and deeply reassuring. He bows slightly, one polished glove resting briefly over his heart as though honoring your arrival. "Welcome aboard," he says, his voice low and soothing, like velvet draped over stone. "Your journey tonight is one of rest, peace, and dreams." Something inside you softens at his words. You nod, as though acknowledging not just the greeting but the promise woven within it. Stepping inside the train, you enter a corridor glowing with soft amber lights. The walls seem to hold the warmth of countless journeys before yours, and the air carries a faint aroma of lavender, cedarwood, and a hint of something sweet, perhaps vanilla or honeyed tea. The floor beneath you is cushioned and silent, muffling your footsteps until it feels like you are gliding rather than walking. There's a sense of being carefully held, gently guided, as though the train has already anticipated your need for rest. You walk slowly, savoring the quiet hum around you. The windows reflect the warm interior light, yet beyond them lies the vast, starlit darkness, an ocean of night waiting patiently. The corridor seems endless in the most comforting way, stretching out like a path made solely for you. At last, you reach your private compartment. The door opens with a soft click, revealing a room upholstered in deep velvet blues and soft golds. The colors blend like dusk meeting dawn, cool shadows embraced by warm light. A small brass lamp casts a gentle glow across the space, illuminating every texture. The plush white blankets on the bed, the polished wood of the nightstand, and the delicate patterns woven into the curtains. It is cozy, serene, a sanctuary wrapped in fabric and light. You set your belongings aside and drift toward the window. The glass is cool beneath your fingertips. Outside, the night stretches endlessly, a sea of velvety darkness sprinkled with stars that shimmer like silver dust. The moon hangs in the sky like a watchful guardian, its light soft and ethereal. The train lets out a long, gentle breath of steam, almost like a sigh. It feels alive, not in a startling way, but in a wise, ancient, quietly benevolent way. As if it knows where you need to go long before you do. You turn back to the bed, running your hand over the blankets. The softness is unbelievable, inviting you to melt into it. You sit down, and your body sinks effortlessly into the mattress, as if it has been shaped specifically for you. For a moment, you simply breathe. The compartment holds a profound stillness, a quiet so tender it feels like a lullaby waiting for its first note. You close your eyes briefly, listening to the soft hum of the train, the subtle creak of wood, the faint whisper of night wind brushing against the window. Then, with the gentlest jolt, the train begins to move. Your eyes open, and you feel the shift, not abrupt, but graceful, like a slow awakening. The rhythmic clatter of wheels against the track starts softly, forming a steady cadence that grows more soothing with each passing second. Clack, 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 clack. The rhythm is hypnotic, like a heartbeat outside your body, steady, reliable, grounding. You lie back on the bed, letting your head rest against the plush pillow. The world outside drifts by in blurred strokes, lamps glowing like floating fireflies, distant hills rolling under moonlight, shadows stretching and folding like slow-moving waves. The gentle sway of the train cradles you, loosening any lingering tension you didn't even know you were holding. You inhale deeply. The scent of lavender mixes with the warm, calming smell of the blankets. Everything inside you settles, like sand sinking to the bottom of a quiet river. This journey is yours. This night is yours. A space carved out of time. A soft haven where nothing is demanded of you and everything welcomes you. Your thoughts begin to soften, edges blurring. Worries fade into the gentle rhythm of the train, dissolving with each clack of the rails. Your mind feels spacious, quiet, and open. The tension in your body releases, slowly at first, then all at once, like a door swinging open to peace. Outside, the darkness seems less like emptiness and more like an endless blanket of tranquility. The stars drift alongside you, glowing softly as though keeping pace with the train. The moonlight spills across the window, painting silver patterns on your blankets. You feel safe, held, exactly where you need to be. The Orient Express carries you deeper into the night, and deeper into tranquility. A journey not just across distance, but into rest, into stillness, into the quiet places within yourself that only open under the gentle spell of a midnight train. And with every passing moment, you sink a little deeper into the peace that has been waiting for you all along. Rhythmic, ancient. It is a melody that has soothed travelers for generations, a gentle song carried through time on polished rails and midnight winds. As you recline comfortably against the plush pillows, you feel each subtle movement of the train guiding you deeper into a state of relaxation. The cushions beneath you cradle your body with warm softness, as if the Orient Express itself is inviting you to surrender completely to its embrace. The carriage sways faintly left, then right, like soft waves lifting and lowering a small boat upon a tranquil sea. The sensation is steady and predictable, soothing in a way that feels both familiar and timeless. With every breath, your muscles loosen a little more. You feel the tension that clung to you throughout the day begin to dissolve. With every gentle sway, worry melts from your body. With every quiet sound, the hum of the rails, the low murmur of the wheels, the edges of your thoughts grow softer, more distant. You open your eyes just enough to catch a glimpse outside the window. The night has grown deeper, thick and velvety, with a full moon casting a silver glow across the world beyond. Moonlight shimmers across the passing scenery like liquid silk. Tall, dark pines stand still and silent, stretching up toward the sky like patient guardians of the forest. Their silhouettes blur slightly as the train glides by, creating a watercolor landscape painted in shades of midnight blue and shadowed green. Everything outside seems to move with a kind of slow, effortless grace. Inside the cabin, warm lamplight flickers gently, casting soft golden shadows that dance across the polished wood panels. The air hums with a quiet stillness that feels sacred. You feel cocooned, wrapped in a private sanctuary where nothing rushed, nothing demanded, nothing pressed upon your mind. The world outside may continue its busy rhythm, but in here, time loosens its grip. Everything slows to the peaceful tempo of the rails beneath you. You notice your breathing begin to align naturally with the rhythm of the train. A deep, calm inhale as the train hums forward. A long, relaxed exhale as the sound fades into the distance. Each breath grounds you. Each exhale frees you. Little by little, your mind lets go of anything you carried from the day, any lingering thoughts, any conversations, any expectations not yet met. They drift from you effortlessly, as though a soft wind is lifting them away. It feels like mist dissolving in the gentle warmth of morning sunlight. The Orient Express feels alive, not with the harsh pulse of machines, but with heart, warmth, and a quiet intelligence. There is something almost knowing in the way it moves through the night, as though it understands the purpose of your journey, not simply to travel from one place to another, but to rest deeply, to dream sweetly, and to rejuvenate both mind and body. It feels as though the train is carrying you not across land, but into a calmer version of yourself. You gently close your eyes again, letting the darkness embrace you. The rocking motion begins to blur your sense of time. Minutes feel like hours, and hours feel like moments. The boundaries between wakefulness and dreaming begin to soften. The train becomes a cradle of peace, holding you with infinite gentleness. Your thoughts drift slowly, then move freely, until they feel like feathers floating in a warm breeze. Outside, the full moon rises higher in the sky, bathing the rails in a silvery glow that shimmers beneath the moving train like a river of light. The night sky sparkles with constellations, ancient clusters of stars that have watched over travelers for centuries. You imagine yourself drifting among them, weightless and free, as though the rhythm of the train has carried you beyond the boundaries of the earth. There is no urgency up there, no noise, no heaviness. Only a vast, luminous calm. Somewhere far ahead, the train whistles softly, a long, mellow note that echoes through the distance like an ancient song. It is a sound that feels woven into your heartbeat, resonating deeper than mere noise. It feels like a message, gentle and reassuring, reminding you that you are safe, held, and exactly where you need to be. The more you listen, the more you relax. The more you breathe, the more you release. The more you surrender, the more you drift. Your body sinks deeper into the plush bedding. You feel the softness envelop you like warm water. The faint vibration of the rails becomes a soothing pulse beneath you, like the heartbeat of the world. A sense of ease spreads through your chest, your shoulders, your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Your legs grow heavy, your feet warm. There is no effort, no tension, only rest. Your mind begins to wander in gentle, dreamlike images. You picture the train gliding through vast, open fields where moonlit grasses sway in unison. You imagine quiet villages asleep under starry skies. You see mountains rising like dark silhouettes in the distance, their peaks crowned in silver light. Each passing image feels softer than the last, as if your imagination itself is slowing down to match the pace of your heartbeat. The steady clatter of wheels on tracks becomes softer, almost hypnotic. The rhythm of the rails becomes the rhythm of your breath. The rhythm of your breath becomes the rhythm of your dreams. You feel yourself drifting towards sleep as though carried on a gentle current. There is no resistance in you now. Only a deep, peaceful surrender. The train continues its ancient melody, steady and comforting, guiding you deeper into rest. The world fades into a quiet blur of moonlight, shadows, and soft vibrations. And in that blissful twilight between waking and dreaming, you let yourself drift completely, held by the gentle rhythm of the rails. Chapter 3: The Midnight Dining Car. Though your body is heavy with deep relaxation, a gentle curiosity begins to stir, like a soft ripple across still water. You are not fully awake, nor fully asleep, resting somewhere in between, yet something calls you from the quiet safety of your cabin. The dimly lit corridor beyond your door feels peaceful, almost sacred, and you feel an unhurried desire to follow that subtle pull. You step out, letting the door close behind you with a soft click. The train hums beneath your feet, a calm and steady rhythm that seems to echo your heartbeat. You begin to walk slowly down the hall, each step sinking into the plush carpet, each breath deep and unforced. The muted sconces along the walls cast a warm glow, guiding you forward like lanterns on a quiet path. Ahead, a gentle shimmer of light spills into the corridor, a soft, golden glow that dances just faintly against the walls. It feels inviting, comforting, like a memory of warmth drifting up from childhood. As you move closer, you begin to hear the faintest whisper of music, slow, delicate piano notes flowing like a lullaby carried through the still air. You reach the polished wooden door of the dining car. The brass handle is cool beneath your fingers. You push it open gently, and instantly, you step into another world. Warm golden light fills the room in soft waves, glowing from chandeliers shaped like floating stars. They sway slightly with the motion of the train, sending patterns of light across the white linens draped over each table. Candles flicker in slender holders, their tiny flames dancing as though greeting you. Crystal vases hold single white roses, fresh, elegant, and perfectly still except for the faint tremble caused by the train's movement. The entire room feels suspended in time. Neither the past nor future exists here. Only this moment. Only this gentle, dreamlike presence. Soft piano music drifts through the space, each note landing lightly, dissolving almost as soon as it arrives. The melody is slow, soothing, and faintly nostalgic, as though it has followed you from another life. A waiter approaches with graceful steps, his smile gentle and calm. His voice is almost a whisper, as if he is protecting the fragile stillness that fills the dining car. "Good evening," he says, bowing his head slightly. "May I offer you something soothing?" You nod without hesitation. Words feel unnecessary here. Everything in this moment encourages silence, reflection, and peace. The waiter returns with a porcelain cup that seems to glow faintly in the candlelight. Steam curls upward in delicate ribbons, swirling like tiny spirits rising into the air. The scent reaches you even before you lift the cup: chamomile, jasmine, a hint of honey. A warm and floral comfort you can feel before tasting. You cradle the cup with both hands. The warmth seeps into your palms, then into your fingers, and then traveling deeper, spreading through your arms and chest. With a slow inhale, you bring the cup to your lips. The first sip is gentle, light as air, yet somehow profound. The flavors bloom on your tongue in soft layers: the calm of chamomile, the sweetness of honey, the floral breath of jasmine. As you swallow, you feel a quiet release, as though invisible knots within you dissolve one by one. Around you, other passengers sit in peaceful silence, absorbed in their own serene worlds. Some gaze out the windows with softened eyes, watching the night drift by. Others sit with hands wrapped around warm cups, heads tilted slightly as they listen to the piano. No one speaks above a whisper. This car is a sanctuary for the weary, an oasis drifting through the night. You choose a seat by the window, sliding into the cushioned chair. It feels impossibly soft, almost like sinking into a cloud. Outside the window, the world moves in slow motion. Forests blur into shadowy greens, rivers flash briefly beneath the moonlight, and distant mountains loom like gentle giants guarding the horizon. The moon casts silver reflections across the glass, creating shifting shapes that glide across your skin and the tablecloth. You sip your tea again, slowly, mindfully, feeling yourself sink deeper into this quiet dreamscape. Calm, quiet, present. The waiter returns, this time carrying a small plate with a slice of warm vanilla cake. The soft aroma reaches you instantly, rich, sweet, comforting, like the scent of freshly baked pastries drifting from an old kitchen. Even if you choose not to take a bite, the scent alone wraps around you with nostalgic warmth, reminding you of moments you can't quite place but somehow remember. The piano music continues, each note drifting like a feather through the air. Some notes linger, hovering for a moment before fading gently into the hum of the train. You close your eyes, imagining each note is a tiny orb of light floating around you, glowing, weightless, peaceful. With every inhale, you feel those little lights settling softly within your chest, easing you deeper into quiet. After what feels like both minutes and hours, a strange, timeless stretch, you rise slowly from your chair. The tea has warmed your entire body, and the serenity of the room has wrapped around your mind like a soft blanket. As you walk once more through the dining car, the candles flicker gently, as if bidding you good night. You step back into the corridor. The hallway is dim once again, but now the warm glow from the dining car seems to linger in your vision. The soft sway of the train feels more soothing than ever, guiding you gently back toward your cabin. The piano melody echoes faintly behind you, drifting farther away with each step. Your body feels heavier now, not from exhaustion, but from deep, serene relaxation, as though gravity is gently urging you toward rest. When you re-enter your compartment, the quiet envelops you like a familiar embrace. The bed looks softer, more inviting than before, and as you settle onto it, the warmth of the tea and the memory of golden candlelight lull your mind into a deeper, quieter state. You breathe in, you breathe out, and you feel yourself sinking into perfect rest. Chapter 4: Crossing the Dreamlands. As you lie back down on your bed, the rhythm of the train deepens around you, settling into something slower, steadier, almost ancient. The clack of the wheels grows softer, each tap fading like a heartbeat slipping into peaceful sleep. Even the faint hum of the engine seems to retreat, as though the train has begun drifting into a quieter realm where time loosens its grip. You sink into the pillows, feeling the familiar weight of your body dissolve bit by bit. The mattress contours to you, warm and inviting, as if it remembers every curve of your form. Your legs relax first, the tension unwinding like a ribbon falling to the floor. Then your arms grow heavy and loose, resting wherever gravity places them. Your neck and shoulders melt into ease, spreading warmth across your upper body like sunlight breaking through a morning fog. Outside the window, the landscape begins to change. The moonlight brightens, not harshly, but like a lantern's glow turning up just enough to reveal something hidden. Wide open fields stretch out into the night, draped in layers of silver mist. The mist moves like soft clouds drifting across the ground, swirling gently around the train as though welcoming you into another realm. Every wisp seems to curl and breathe with a slow, dreamlike intention, as if nature itself senses that you're transitioning. Your eyelids grow heavy, but you keep them open for just a little while longer. The view is too mesmerizing to release just yet. The stars overhead seem closer now, larger and more luminous than you've ever seen them. They shimmer with an almost magical glow, arranging themselves into new constellations, shapes you've never witnessed before, yet somehow recognize deep within you. As if somewhere in another life, another world, you walked under these very stars and knew their names. The world around you begins to feel unreal, softened at the edges, dreamlike and suspended in a strange, beautiful stillness. The train passes over a long bridge, and beneath it, instead of water, you see shimmering silver fog stretching out endlessly. It looks like an ocean of light, undisturbed and eternal, glowing from within like a sleeping star. The bridge seems to float above this luminous sea, and for a moment, it feels as though the train itself has transformed into a vessel gliding through the heavens. Inside the carriage, everything grows still. Everything grows quiet. Everything invites you deeper into rest. A faint scent of lavender and old polished wood lingers in the air, wrapping around you with a cozy familiarity. The faint sway of the train is barely noticeable now, more like a gentle rocking that cradles you with each subtle movement. As you close your eyes again, you imagine yourself floating above that silver ocean, weightless and calm. You feel supported by something soft and warm, like invisible hands cradling you in peace. There is no effort in your breath, no strain in your muscles. Just effortless drifting. A soft voice seems to whisper through your mind, not words, but a presence. A gentle, comforting presence that reassures you without sound. It tells you that you are safe here, that you can release everything you've been holding on to, that this night belongs completely to you. Its warmth feels like the glow of a fireplace in a quiet cabin, steady and protective. The Orient Express becomes your guardian, your silent guide into sleep. Its walls, its dim lights, its delicate shuddering motions, all of it folds around you like a protective cocoon, shielding you from the waking world. The hum of the engine fades even further, blending into a soothing vibration beneath your body. It feels almost like lying on the surface of a giant purring creature, steady, calm, ancient, and kind. The world narrows into softness, warmth, and silence. Behind your closed eyelids, dream images begin to flicker, gentle sparks of imagination rising to the surface. You see golden meadows stretching beneath endless horizons, their tall grasses swaying under winds you cannot feel. You see quiet lakes under deep starlight, their surfaces perfectly still, reflecting constellations that pulse like living things. You glimpse ancient libraries filled with glowing lanterns, towering shelves of books that hum with stories waiting to be opened. You see shadowy forests with leaves that glimmer like tiny jewels, and doorways carved into enormous tree trunks that whisper secrets you've forgotten. These images come and go like clouds drifting across a midnight sky. You don't need to hold on to any of them. You don't need to grasp or cling. Just let them drift. Let everything drift. Your breathing deepens, slow and steady, the rise and fall of your chest syncing naturally with the rhythm of the train. Your heart settles into a calm, gentle pattern, each beat slower and softer than the last. Every muscle loosens without effort. Every thought softens into quiet shapes that dissolve before forming fully. You are crossing the threshold now, moving from the waking world into the dreamlands. The boundary between the two becomes thin, almost transparent. You hover in the luminous space between sleep and consciousness, a threshold where the real and unreal intertwine. And the train carries you effortlessly, without requiring anything from you. It guides you forward with a devotion that feels almost enchanted. Time loses meaning. Minutes, hours, they blend. All that remains is sensation, the warmth of the blankets, the murmur of distant wheels, the glow of moonlight filtering through your eyelids, and the weightlessness that now holds your entire being. You feel yourself drifting deeper, drifting further, as if sinking into a soft ocean made of clouds. There is no fear here, no hesitation, only acceptance, only calm. You allow yourself to be carried. You allow yourself to rest. The dreamlands open around you like a vast, welcoming horizon. And as the last remnants of wakefulness dissolve, the train continues its silent journey through realms unseen, guiding you gently into the world where your dreams await. Chapter 5: Arrival at the Valley of Dreams. At some point during the journey, you awaken, not fully, not completely, but just enough to sense a gentle shift in the rhythm of the train. It feels different now. The subtle vibration that had been your quiet companion throughout the night has softened. The wheels no longer clatter or hum against steel. Instead, they glide, as though moving across something far softer than rails, something woven from clouds or woven from moonlight. Your eyes open slowly, reluctantly, and the world that meets them is nothing like the one you saw before drifting towards sleep. The landscape outside the window has changed entirely. The train is descending a wide, gentle slope asterisk, entering a valley hidden from ordinary maps, hidden even from ordinary imagination. A soft, silver blue glow fills the horizon. It is not quite night, not quite dawn, something in between, a moment that seems to belong to neither time nor reality. The sky glows with an otherworldly brightness, yet the moon still hangs full and perfect asterisk, luminous and steady, as if refusing to yield its place to the sun. This valley is not a destination found in guidebooks or charts. This is a place meant only for dreams. Outside, fields of tall, silken grass ripple in fluid waves, moving as softly as a sigh. Each blade glows faintly, reflecting the pale moonlight like threads of silver and blue woven through a tapestry. The grass sways in patterns that seem alive, almost as if it is greeting you, welcoming you into a place you have always known but forgotten until now. Trees rise gently along the slopes, trees unlike any you have seen. Their branches shimmer with crystal-like leaves asterisk in shifting shades of lavender, pale gold, and soft rose. They twinkle when touched by the breeze, like tiny chimes made of light, creating a harmony that you feel more in your chest than in your ears. A river winds through the heart of the valley, moving with unhurried grace. Its surface glows faintly, as though made of liquid stardust asterisk, reflecting the moon in perfect fragments. Each ripple shines, drifting outward like a soft lullaby written directly onto the water. You watch in quiet awe, unable to speak, unable even to breathe too deeply, as though afraid that any sudden movement might disturb the gentle magic of this place. Everything feels unreal, yet somehow, everything feels familiar, as though you have dreamed of it many times before. The train begins to slow. Its motion becomes smoother still, gliding forward with a kind of reverence, as though honoring the sacred calm that fills the valley. The soft humming of the engine deepens into a warm, steady vibration that settles into your bones, relaxing each muscle, each thought, each breath. The cabin is warmer now, too, bathed in a gentle, ambient glow that seems to come from everywhere and nowhere at once. It is not the sharp glow of lamps or the cold hue of moonlight. It is a soft, comforting radiance asterisk, like the warmth of being wrapped in a blanket that remembers your shape. The longer you sit within it, the heavier your eyelids feel. You close your eyes again. And as you do, the valley does not fade from your awareness. Instead, it grows even clearer. The valley of dreams surrounds you, not just outside the train windows, but inside your mind, inside your breath, inside your heartbeat. It's as though the boundary between the outer world and your inner world has dissolved completely. Here, in this valley, you feel something you haven't felt in a long time. You feel unburdened. You feel free. You feel entirely, deeply at peace. The train continues its slow descent until finally, so softly you barely perceive it, it begins to stop. There is no jolt, no clank, no shudder. It comes to rest like a sigh, a long exhale that releases the final threads of tension from your body. Everything grows perfectly still. And in that stillness, a quiet voice rises, not from outside, but from within you. A voice you recognize even though you have never truly heard it. You have arrived, it whispers. Rest now. The words settle into you like warm sand filling the spaces between stones. Your body sinks deeper into the bed beneath you. Your shoulders soften. Your arms grow heavy. Your legs drift outward, distant and weightless. Your breathing slows, deepens, becomes steady like the tide. Each inhale is a wave. Each exhale is a retreat. And with every cycle, you drift farther into calm. The Orient Express has brought you exactly where you were meant to be, not just to a valley, but to a state of rest so deep it feels almost sacred. You imagine stepping off the train. The door opens without a sound, and as you descend, your feet meet the soft, glowing grass. It cushions each step like velvet warmed by gentle moonlight. The valley opens around you in vivid detail, as though eager to show you what has always waited for you. The air is warm, carrying the faint scent of something sweet, perhaps night flowers or perhaps the essence of dreaming itself. The breeze brushes your skin with delicate fingers, tender and unhurried. And the silence, oh, the silence, is not empty. It is full, peaceful, alive with quiet understanding. You walk only a few steps before sinking down into the soft, moonlit grass. It molds to you instantly, like it has been waiting for your shape all along. Above you, the moon glows brighter, bathing you in silver light that feels like comfort made visible. You lie back. The stars stretch across the sky like countless lanterns hung in a great cosmic hall. They twinkle softly, as though watching over you. As though protecting your sleep. And slowly, very slowly, your mind begins to empty. The valley of dreams holds you gently. The grass cradles your body. The moon steadies your heartbeat. The silence shelters your thoughts. Your body releases completely. Your muscles soften. Your heart slows into a peaceful rhythm. Your breath becomes the softest whisper. Here, in this valley carved from dreams, you fall into a sleep like no other. A sleep that restores the weary places within you. A sleep that comforts the quiet sorrows. A sleep that renews the corners of your spirit you had forgotten. Tonight, you drift fully into dreams. And the Orient Express keeps quiet watch over you until dawn, standing as a guardian at the edge of the valley, ensuring your rest remains deep, healing, and undisturbed. And as you surrender to that rest, the valley of dreams closes gently around you, welcoming you home. Thank you for joining this peaceful journey aboard the Orient Express. I hope the story gently guided you toward rest and sweet dreams. If you enjoyed this sleep story, please consider subscribing to Dream Haven Sleeping Story. And don't forget to tap the bell icon, so you receive notifications the moment a new story arrives. Wishing you a night filled with calm, comfort, and beautiful dreams. Good night. And drift peacefully. Crest